Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Alright guys, what is up? It is your boy Squid here today. I haven't done any shoutouts in a hot fucking minute, so I'm gonna do some shoutouts today. I mean, especially when I go through these like really fucking technical areas after we had a rainstorm. So I figured, this is a good low mile an hour place to like just talk and think, right? Anyway, so before I get off topic, like I always do, hold on, is that a fucking turtle? No, it's just branches. Shoutouts, okay, shoutouts. Howdy. So, first shout out of the day, they're not going to be in any order, okay? These are on the fly. I know we want to shout out, but I'm going to start talking and forget them in the order I had them initially. So it's in no order. I'm going to try my best to like talk about them, but I might just be check them out, see for yourselves, because I'm not the greatest at like talking about people, you know what I mean? So anyway, first person is going to be the HomeSlice MackinacRider. Yeah, it hasn't uploaded in a hot minute, but what he has up is still pretty good. I like it. Way better editing skills than I will ever have, and don't let him talk down on that, because holy shit, he is very good at it. Like, very good at it. He has Premiere Pro. I tried Premiere Pro. I sucked at it. Got rid of it. I hated it. You'll never see me color grade a video unless I up the saturation a little bit, but I am currently trying out new settings on the camera, so hopefully I don't have to. Anyway, MackinacRider. Next up is going to be another local to the area known as MrNbaWriter. He has some awesome content. Always puts out really good quality edits. He does some green screen here and there too. Like, he'll green screen stuff onto his bike. Once I saw him do that, I think he intends to do it again. I don't know. I just know that I have his notifications turned on because he's that damn good. Everybody I'm talking about today is going to have notifications on, just a heads up. I'm just saying that, you know, I'm trying to toot his horn a little bit, you know what I mean? But check him out. I'm going to link them all in the description, as you would expect me to do. So, another Grand Rapids boyo is going to be A HarleyGuy. He's pretty good at what he does. He just put out some home improvement edits, videos, not edits. I mean, I guess edit. I don't know. I don't fucking know. He put out some home improvement videos. They're pretty good. Very short, easy to watch with my short attention span. You know, I got that almost ADD like attention span going on, where if you can't keep it, you lose me. Like, I'll watch it through, but it's like, I'm in school again. Oh my god. Kind of watching, not like, oh, this is interesting. So, fourth on the list of shout outs, forgot what I was doing for a second, my bad, is going to be a Wretched Nation. Normally I wear their gloves, but I put holes in them on accident, you know, riding with them every day for the last 5 or 6 months, 7 months. I intend to get more of their clothing. They're a fucking awesome clothing brand. They're down to earth. They'll talk to you like a person and not a number. They have good videos. He's been wheeling his wide glide lately, or practicing wheeling his wide glide, which I fuck with, because I want to do that to this one these days. But I need to get new bars first, which is also going to be soon. But anyway, check them out. Really good. Ooh, I forgot this corner is sharp as shit. I lost track of the amount of people I've shouted out. I think it's 4. Yeah, 4. Number 5 is... Actually, no, he's not from... Not everybody from Michigan is going to be Grand Rapids, because BillThe HarleyGuy is out of Fremont, which is very close to me. Shout out to him. He's got really good videos. I rode with him once. My GoPro died about 5 minutes into riding though. I'll put that video up in the end credits like I normally do when I have good content for once. He's got some content out right now, a horn upgrade. I apologize, man, I missed the first 2 and I just didn't have the time to watch the first ones, but they look to be pretty good. It looks like it's a train horn almost, or something similar. It's bigger. I like it. Got the train horn styling. Check him out to figure it out. Up next we have KODE Gray, or KODE Gray. I'm pretty sure it's KODE Gray with a K. I've been watching his stuff lately. It's pretty good. He's newer to it. He doesn't have that many videos out. But man, I like it. It's good stuff, dude. Good content, sport bike all day long. I want to get one still, but I can't fucking afford it. So, check him out for your sport bike needs until MackinacRider gets his, and check them both out. Up next is going to be one of the boys from Texas. Slow but lower. He hasn't put too many out. He's still waiting on his mic to come in the mail. He's been having issues with his setup working incorrectly. So he has a brand new lowrider S, which is cool as hell. I still got, I think, the torque on him, but he might have more horsepower. If not, it's really close. I think those have like 100, and baby girl here's got 93. But I know mine's at the wheel though, so I don't know if his is crank or at the wheel. Because I know that Harley sometimes likes to put crank numbers as the actual numbers. But this is from the dyno, so I might have them. I might be faster. And then of course, you know, I gotta shout him out. Blue Bike and Doyle. He's always in such a good mood, always has good content. I always appreciate what he does. I might not always have the time to watch it when it first comes out. My man, I'm sorry, but I promise you I do watch your stuff. Even if I only leave a like on it, I am there. I promise you. I am trying to help everybody out as best I can with their views, but man, sometimes I get to the videos way too goddamn late to leave a comment on it as relevant. And then, last but not least, another Harley guy. He's really fucking cool. Rides a fat boy. He is. And I was gonna do a drum roll, but I don't feel like doing the finger things in a corner. It is Harley Fat Boy JR. He is from, fuck, I don't know, somewhere over there in Washington-ish, maybe? I don't fucking know. I forget locations, I just know content, right? Like, his content is fucking good. Like, really fucking good. Always upbeat, always happy, always thankful, appreciative of the people he has. He just got a second GoPro in the mail from a subscriber, which is fucking cool. So he has a second angle going on now. I will never have a second angle with these handlebars. Not until I get a T-bar set up, which soon, actually. It's going to be a riser and MX bar combo for performance, but cross that bridge when I get there, you know. But yeah, shout out to all of them. It was MackinacRider, NVARider, WildRider, Wretched Nation, BillThe HarleyGuy, Blue Bike and Doyle, Slow but Lower, and Harley Fat Boy JR. Shout out to all seven of those, right? Yeah, 7. No, 8. No, 8. I don't know. I'll fucking figure it out. I think it was like 8 or 7. But be sure to check them out. Tell them Squid sent you. Not that you have to, but you should. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Hopefully my settings are pretty good. I'm doing a Q&A here soon, so leave me some questions in the comments. I know that was very end of the video, but hey, gotta get the word out somehow, right? Yeah. Drop me some questions. Check out those guys. Have yourself a lovely, lovely day.